Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. My name is White Iba and this is Knowing Jesus series on YouTube channel. I want you to subscribe to this channel and I believe as you do, you will get transformed in Jesus' name. Now, in today's video, I will be sharing with you on how you can have access to God-given grace. This grace are valuable to all men, but not all men have access to this grace. The reason is due to absence of the knowledge of the truth. God created all things in heaven and on earth for the sake of his son Jesus. Now, according to the book of John chapter 1 verse 3, it says all things were made through him, and without him nothing that was made. Now, this does not refer to God creating all things from the word coming from his mouth, but him creating all things in heaven and on earth through his son Jesus. You can check it out in the book of Hebrews chapter 1 verse 2 and Colossians chapter 1 verse 16 to 17. Welcome back. To have access to God-given grace that is made available to all men, but not all men can have access to it, is you need to have knowledge about the truth, and Jesus Christ is the truth according to the book of John chapter 14 verse 6. Let me quickly share with you some information about Jesus. Number one, Jesus Christ is the one glorified with the glory of God, and that is why our prayer gets to God through his glory according to the book of John chapter 14 verse 13. He is God. That is number two, who was with God before all creation according to the book of John chapter 1 verse 1. Number three, he came in the flesh and dwelt among us according to the book of John chapter 1 verse 14. And number four, he is the word full of the glory of the only begotten Son of God according to the book of Matthew chapter 3 verse 17. So you see that you can have nothing to do with grace, no matter how much you seek for it, if you don't know him. Your access to grace is through the knowledge of the truth, and that truth is Jesus Christ. So I want to admonish you to know more about Jesus so that you can see him with your eyes of faith, so that you can see him with your spiritual eyes, so that you can be able to have access to the grace God has made available to all men. I prayed in the name of Jesus that by knowing him, you will know the truth and receive access to the fullness of God's grace. God bless you.